If you've been keeping an eye on the 3D printing world, you know that the dream of set it and forget it, multicolor printing has finally arrived, and the Creality K2 Combo is at the absolute forefront of this shift. This machine is designed for those who want to move past the limitations of single-color prints and step into a new realm of creative potential without the constant tinkering that used to define the hobby. The heart of the combo experience is the CFS, Color Filament System. This allows you to automatically switch between multiple colors and materials during a single print, enabling vibrant, professional-grade results that were once only possible with expensive industrial machines or hours of manual filament changes. But it's not just about the color, it's about pure performance. Blistering speed. With a print speed of up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer turns long, multi-day projects into quick afternoon tasks, all without sacrificing the crisp details you expect. Next-gen extrusion. The new direct drive extruder system is optimized for reliability, ensuring that even with the constant filament switching of multicolor prints, you get consistent, clog-free extrusion. Smart and simple. With 95% pre-assembly, you'll be up and running in minutes, not hours. The smart AI camera monitors your prints for errors, while the fully automatic leveling takes the frustration out of the first layer setup, ensuring every project sticks perfectly. Generous build volume. At 260,260,260 millimeters, you have plenty of room for functional parts, detailed figurines, or larger architectural models, making this a truly versatile tool for any workspace. Whether you are a creator looking to launch a product line or an enthusiast who wants to bring their digital designs to life in full, vivid color, the K2 Combo is a massive upgrade over standard entry-level machines. It's smart, it's fast, and it's built to make the complicated process of 3D printing feel simple again. If you are ready to stop worrying about the mechanics and start focusing on your designs, you can find the best price for the Creality K2 Combo by clicking the link below.